This is Assignment 3, Voice to Sign. This is a description of a play in a kitchen in the evening. The kitchen has modern fittings. A meal is in the course of preparation, but there is disarray with open packets, vegetables, pots, and pans spread around on the work surfaces. A saucepan of water is boiling on the gas stove unattended. There is a cordless telephone mounted on the wall. Kate, wearing an apron over a loose floral blouse with an open collar and a long skirt, is leaning over the sink, holding the metal rim and staring out into the dark night outside with a worried expression. Rain is running down the window. Justin, taller than Kate and dressed in a business suit, puts down a wet umbrella. He stands behind her, concerned at her distress. "How do you know?" "I just do." Justin holds Kate's shoulders, massaging her back with his thumbs. He turns Kate around to face him. She sniffs, looks up at him, tears on her stained cheeks. She tries, but fails to smile, then looks down at the floor. "Justin, you're being paranoid, darling. You can't possibly know." Kate looks up with a far-off stare, looking over Justin's shoulders, trying to focus through wet eyes. "You don't understand, do you? She's my twin." Justin rocks Kate back and forth gently, trying to get her to look up. "I do understand, but Sydney's 10, 11,000 miles away. You're upsetting yourself for no reason, darling. You can't know." Kate looks up, frowning and challenging Justin. "It would be the same if she were in the room next door. We've shared everything, our clothes, our secrets. I know something has gone wrong." Justin lets go of Kate, who stands looking at his back as he paces the room. Justin turns back to her. "Ring her up then. You speak to each other often enough." Justin resumes his pacing. Kate turns and looks out into the dark night. What if she doesn't answer? Justin spins round to comfort Kate, spreading his arms in exasperation. "Leave her a message. Text her. Do something." The phone rings, interrupting their exchange. The bell is sharp. Justin and Kate look at each other. They look at the phone, and then back at each other. "Oh, God, you answer it." "It'll be her." Justin crosses to the wall-mounted cordless phone. He picks it up, looking at Kate, and presses the on button. Justin. "Hello? Who?" Justin looks at Kate, wide-eyed and concerned. "Australia House? Yes. One moment. She's here."